Hello guys, in this particular video I'm going to showing you the setup of this Huawei 4G dongle and how to use this one. So without making any further delay, let's get into the video. By the way, before getting into the video, if you want to watch the unboxing video, you can watch from here in the card section, or else I will leave the link in description box. And coming to the box looks like this, and I will show how to set up this and how to insert the SIM. And I already posted in unboxing video how to set up, how to insert the SIM card in this one. And now again I will show you from setting up the SIM card to connecting through the mobile or laptop. Connection process is same for mobile or PC or laptop, but the setting of the things is different. And also we're having an inbuilt app for this Huawei, and I will show one by one what are the things. So let's jump into the video. So yeah, this is how the hotspot looks like. And coming to the back, we need to remove this back plastic one, and here you can observe the battery, and here you need to insert the SIM card. If you want to reset this mobile Wi-Fi, and here you can see an reset option is there. You need to click here like by using the SIM ejector pin. And now when it comes to the SIM card, you can use any SIM card. Actually in the box they given like this, and a standard SIM card. This device supports full SIM cards only like that, but even I used a nano SIM card, as you can observe here. And this is how you can place. You need to align the things properly to get the work done. And next is you need to, of course, insert the battery. And the very good thing about this hotspot is it is a removable battery, so that you can, if in case in future if the battery is having like efficiency problem, you can purchase offline market or even online market and replace the battery. Now after inserting the battery, just now, so coming to the buttons, only one button is there we're having, which is power on or off button, and I'm going to turn on this. Here you can see two light indicators are there. One is for signal strength, and number two it is for battery strength. There are three types of LED indicators are there. Green refers to the good and like strongest network. Even battery also, green is nothing but it is having full battery. And here you can observe the like red. Now you can see, which means that there is no signal is there. Of course it is scanning the signal. Now it turns to green, which means good signal is there in my locality. And even battery also will turn to red if the battery is like below 15% or below 20%. And also one light also there for the signal, which is like a lightish yellow color, which means that signal quality is in between high as well as poor, which is like medium network is there. So yeah, that's all about the hotspot. Now the connection process is very simple. In the box also they given the user manual how to connect this one, and what are the steps you need to take care. This is not the one. Here you can see, first you need to turn on this one. After that you need to connect the Wi-Fi. So when it comes to the connection, at first time what you have to do is there is a password here. Password I will show where it actually there. So on the back you can see Wi-Fi key as well as the SSID. SSID is nothing but it is the name will show if you turn on the Wi-Fi, and this is the default password. You need to click and enter through this one to access the internet. In case if you want to change, of course many people and every people change the name as well as the password. To do this, here are the steps. You need to open the Google Chrome and type 192.168.8.1, and next what you have to do is, I will show you in a second. First I will connect this. So now first what you have to do is open Chrome, search for 1 192.168.8.1. It will open the page like this, Huawei page, and if you want you can download the app also. Actually I'm using the app, that is why it's showing like that. Here you can see an option called go directly to web page. You can click that one. So it's very simple, and password is admin only, and initial time it is admin. After that you can change it to, actually I changed the password, that is why it is showing. Okay, let it be. So next, instead of that, I will show you how to set up in app application which is available. Here you can see Huawei AI Life, and it will show the devices. And if you want to add the devices, here in the plus icon you can observe, click on the plus icon and it will scan the devices, available devices, and it connects automatically. Now I connected this one, and after that it will show the detailed stats of this Huawei mobile hotspot. Even you can observe the battery percentage also here, and which SIM I inserted in this one, and the upload speed, download speed, and also devices, how many devices are connected to this one. And also you can test the signal also, like it is good or bad. You can see within 3 to 2 seconds it refreshes automatically. And even with this graph you can change the location of this hotspot so that you will get a good network. And next is diagnose, where it actually shows the everything, like the updates and everything for this one. I'm clicking done. And Wi-Fi settings, it is the main thing what many people wanted. And here you can see, here you can change the Wi-Fi name as well as the password. And even if you want you can hide the SSID also, it's your wish. This is how you can change the settings of this one. And also there are more settings, like guest Wi-Fi is also available. You can enable the guest Wi-Fi so that the password you need to set, and duration also you can set, like for, I will show how much duration you can set. So coming to the duration, you can set for 1 day or 4 hours. It is, you cannot change below 4 hours. It is the default one, 4 hours or 1 day. This how you can enable the guest Wi-Fi also. And coming to the next things, we are having some new features of this one, like SMS alert is also there, and even it is saying that you can call to anyone using this SIM card, but I hadn't found where it gonna actually works. That's all about the guest Wi-Fi. And coming to the remaining options, we're having a Wi-Fi extender. There are Huawei Wi-Fi extenders are also available in the online market. Even if you want, you can purchase them. And coming to next, it is called messages. Actually in Geo it is not supported, and I actually used BSNL SIM card in this one. On that time I'm getting some SMSs, like normal SMSs what we are actually getting in our mobile. Here in this section you can find, and the battery, APN settings. Even you can enable the power saving mode, which means that it disable the mobile data and Wi-Fi if there are no devices are connected with this. And also Wi-Fi auto sleep, it is a very good one to improve the battery performance of this one, guys. Actually I'm using this one, which means like if no one is connected to the Wi-Fi for a while, it automatically turn it off. If you want to turn on, just single press on the power button so that it turn on the Wi-Fi. It's very good thing feature, and I really like, I'm using also. And next is called advanced settings. Here you can see the data roaming, you can enable it, and mobile data carrier. There are many things you can enable in this one. And yeah, that's all about the one. And even the updates also are available. And even you can observe the unlocked device, it is unlocked. Actually you can use any SIM card, it is not restricted to particular SIM like BSNL, Geo, Airtel, like that. You can use any SIM card in India. It is a unlocked device. And coming to the pricing, surprisingly I purchased this one at 6,000, which is of course MRP pricing. And if I checked within previously 3 days back, it's priced at almost 5,000 or 4,800 rupees. I'm surprised that much demand is there on the time while I'm purchasing. Now the demand is getting low, as many offices are opening and work from home jobs are ending soon. Even if you click on these 3 dots, here you can see device information, device update, update manager, messages and also anything is there. So if you want overnight updates are also enabled to, because the firmware updates are really helpful for any devices to improve the security and to improve the firewall protection. That is why I enabled. This is how you can customize the things in this Huawei 4G dongle. And if you want to plan to purchase this dongle, I will leave the links in description box. Feel free to check that links, guys. And also anything that you are going to purchase in Amazon or Flipkart, again I'm leaving the links in the description box. Feel free to check those links. That's all about the video, guys, and hope this video would really helpful for the people who are searching for the Huawei this dongle and some settings and how to connect this one and what are the settings and how to install the application in your Android mobile. I'm not sure whether it is supported in iOS devices because I'm not using any iOS phones. So yeah, in Android it is perfectly fine and I'm using also. And in next video I will post regarding the speed test, like how much speed I'm getting in this dongle, and I'm again test the speed in this mobile by shifting the SIM card from this dongle to this mobile. Hope this video would really helpful for you, and thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.